What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's one of my favorite days of the year, the Super Bowl. And no, I don't really care for football at all, but I am a huge fan of sitting on the couch for hours eating appetizers and fried food. Today we will be making 3 delicious vegan Super Bowl appetizers, perfect for vegans and non-vegans alike. First up, we have the super spicy and cheesy jalapeno poppers. First, we're going to cut your jalapenos. Make a huge insert down the middle and then cut a tiny line across, creating a T-like shape. Pull the jalapeno open and pull out the seeds and membranes using your black claws. For our cheesy stuffing, I'm using Tafuti's cream cheese and So Delicious cheddar shreds. Whoa, say that 3 times fast. Mix them up in a large bowl until both cheeses combine and stuff your jalapenos to the brim. Then you will need 3 bowls. In one, you will need flour and garlic powder. In the second, coconut milk, or any milk you like, and apple cider vinegar. This makes buttermilk. And finally, in your third, you will need breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs today. Dip your stuffed jalapeno onto the flour, then the milk, then the flour again, then the milk, then your breadcrumbs. Repeat this with all of your jalapenos. Next comes the fun part, the frying. I'm using vegetable oil and waiting until it's burning hot. Plop in your peppers and turn them occasionally so all sides are nice and crispy. Once they're all done, I like to place them in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes at 350 degrees so the cheese melts and the peppers cook all the way. Plus, this gives it a little extra crunch. Next up, we have our crispy onion rings. Peel a large white onion and cut it into circular strips and try not to cry. Then pop out all the layers using your hands. For your batter, you will need all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, salt, paprika, and turmeric for color. Mix your dry ingredients and add in your coconut milk, or whatever milk you have, and stir it in slowly, adding more and more milk little by little until you get this thick paste-like consistency. Then dunk in your onion rings into your batter using a fork. Once your onion ring is coated in batter, throw them into some breadcrumbs to coat. Then throw them into some hot oil and let them fry for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it! I like to dunk these in some ketchup or barbecue sauce, and they are so freaking crunchy and savory. And lastly, we're making some pigs in a blanket. Start off by laying out your pastry dough. I am using these immaculate crescent rolls. And for my hot dog, I am using these jumbo Light Life hot dogs. Cut your hot dog down the middle and grab a piece of your pastry and wrap it around. Place your piggies on a baking sheet and follow the baking instructions for the dough you will be using. Voila! The perfect little pigs in a blanket. So freaking good! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you plan on making any of these, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more yummy recipes to come.